You wanna see how rotten my wood is? I mean, until now they took this long to fix my shit, but he told me not to step out here. Fuck it, I'm never gonna step out here. What the fuck? Look at that. Holy shit. Poor bird too. There's a bird nest somewhere around there. Oh god, I'm scared of heights. He gave away Pandoro. Yeah, but I'm more organized than them. The fuck? That scared the fuck out of me. God, I almost fell on my ass. That's because I have a rocking chair right there. I would have let my cats be up here, but I can't because